What's up guys, my name is Abdullah Al Amin and you are watching my channel Tech Informer Abdulla. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you one of the best app you can use to watch a movie for Hollywood movies. One of the best app you can use for watching movies. The Koto movie app you can use for watching movies. One of the best site to watch. Here you can see every type of movies you can watch over this. You wanna watch Spider-Man, you can see new movie Spider-Man. Search over here. Spider-Man home. See, there you can see Spider-Man Far From Home. Any type of movie you wanna watch, you can use. Like you wanna watch Shazam, you can search for Shazam. Shazam. See, there you can see any type of movie you wanna watch. You wanna watch Captain Marvel. See, Captain Marvel is here. Any type of movie you wanna watch, you can watch on this app, Koto movie. You can download for Android, you can download for iOS, anything you wanna watch. You can watch this on this app. And thank you for watching my video. I'll try to give videos and some good videos for you to help you. Please subscribe my channel. I'm trying to improve my channel. Please support me to improve my channel so that I can give you better videos in the next. Thank you.